So this is my 54th watch. It is an unboxing here of the Casio World Time. I just got it in the mail from Amazon. You can see I had to just cut right there and there so I can pop it out of the outer box. Classic Casio box here. Let's open it. And there she is. Still in the plastic. All right, let's pop it out. All right. Okay, so you got your little stand. You got the book, obviously. Let's get it out of the plastic and see how she is. I like that they come with watch stands. I love that. It makes it easier to store them or display them. All right, so guys, look at that. Oop. Let me see here. What does it say? 10-year battery. All right, let's get it off the stand. Move the stand. Here it is. Casio World Time. Has some plastic on it to protect it. Really cool watch. It's switching times here. Tokyo 8:03, New York City. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to change the time on it. But there it is, my brand new watch. So I posted on Instagram. I have one spot left for a watch. In all of my watch cases and stuff, I've been running out of room, and I have a spot for one more on a little watch stand. And I thought, you know what? Everyone needs a God tier Casio World Time. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm gonna have to figure out how to go through all the features, change the time, and oh, dude, look how cool it is. Can you see it? Look, it's like changing the time zones. Wow, that is really cool. So there it is, guys. The unboxing of the Casio World Time. Purchased it off of Amazon. Go get one today. Like I said, I have literally one more spot for a watch. So it's going to go next to the Timex Q, the Timex Weekender, and the Seiko SNX S79. And so there it is. And my other Casios, let's find some other Casios I got here. Here's one here. Ooh, there we go. The F91W. Then I got myself a G-Shock here. And then here is the watch that the Pope wears. And then I have a Casio. This is just a bracelet for a Cartier Santos. Don't mind that. And, oh, the Casio. Let's see, where is that? The Casio is up here. So I have a few God tier watches. Not bad, but there it is, guys. The Casio World Time. I did get to change the time. All you do is make sure that you're in T1. You'll see there's different times. T2, 3, 4. T1, hold in, adjust, and then go through mode, and you'll be able to use this button to change all your dates and times and day of the month. Day, it's 7/22 today, so month, day. It'll reset everything and get it going for you. But just make sure, like I said, that you are on T1, okay? And then you'll be able to adjust everything as needed. There's many YouTube videos on how to do that. But there it is, watch number 54. Please check out my website, tmpspodcast.com, and go to Instagram and follow me at The Horology Movement. That is my watch Instagram page, The Horology Movement, and tmpspodcast.com, where you can listen to my podcast. Please like, share, and subscribe.